friends, welcome to GPSTR CTT channel. As you know that in yesterday video I discussed Karnataka TET biology from 2014 to 2020 questions. I discussed 10 questions. Today I am discussing remaining questions. For previous video, that link is in description box. Please watch that. First question is, which organelles of a cell are called as a suicide bags? You know that this answer is lysosomes. But we have to know why lysosomes are called as suicide bags. Because during starvation, lysosomes act on their own cellular organelles and digest them. This results in cell death, and hence lysosomes are suicide bags. Because of this reason, they are called as suicide bags. Name of an instrument found by J.C. Bose to show how the tissues of a plant responds to stimuli. This answer is crystallograph. It measures the growth of plants. So answer is option 1. Remaining options are there. For seismograph, it measures intensity of earthquake, shock, and biograph means you know that study of a real person's life. Cardiograph means it measures the movement of heart. Next question: the lymph contains RBC and proteins, RBC, WBC, WBC and proteins, RBCs only. Lymph means is a colorless fluid which lacks RBCs. Because of this, you don't have any color. Lymph is a part of immune system. It lacks RBCs. Lymph helps to protecting body from illness causing invaders, mainly maintaining body fluid levels, absorbing digestive tract fats, and remove cellular waste. These are all functions of lymph. Answer is it's contain only WBC and proteins. Next, the glands which are present on the top of the kidney. On the top of the kidney, the glands present are adrenal glands. This answer is adrenal glands. Among the following tissue is a neuron receptor, conductor, effector. It's a conductor. It is called as a conductor because it conducts tissues like xylem and phloem. They transport water and food to the other parts of the body. Because of this reason, they are called as conductors. Group of flightless birds are ostrich, kiwi, emu, ree, and cassowaries. The features adapted by polar bears to survive in extreme cold climate. Answer is a white fur, pad below skin, and webbed feet. These three options are wrong because in this option it is having thin skin, but they have thick skin. Here they have given long tail, but they have small tail. Here they have given gills for respiration but they don't have gills. They have lungs for respiration. The newborn's normal breathing rate is 40 times, means 40 to 60 times per minute. For adults, it is 12 to 16 breaths per minute. Chemical responsible for painful stings of a nettle plant leaf is methanoic acid. That is called as a formic acid also. Next, the tone of statement given below is correct. The winds flows from land to the ocean. This is the option correct. These three options are wrong. I will explain by this sea bridge and land bridge case. During daytime or in summer, what will happen? The earth surface get heated very quickly. The air present above the surface of land, that also gets heated. As you know that the warm air is less dense and it expands and moves to above direction. Because of this, here low pressure is created. This low pressure is created, but on the surface of sea, what will happen? On the surface of air, cool air is there. That cool air is more dense. Because of that, high pressure is created here. We know that any heat, whether it's a heat or any wind, that flows from always high pressure to lower pressure region. Here, higher pressure region is from on the sea surface to low pressure on the land surface. So here, high pressure to low pressure region, the wind is moving. It is called as a sea breeze. From sea to land is coming wind. That's why it's called a sea breeze. That is during daytime or summertime. But during night or winter time, what happens? The land breeze takes place. That means why means here land in during night time, and land cools down quickly, means it also heats up very quickly and also it cool down very quickly. But on sea surface it cools down very slowly compared to land. Because of that, here on the night time, during on the surface of sea some hot air is present, still it is not cooled. Therefore, as you know that the warm air is less dense and it expands and evaporates. Because of that, here on surface of sea low pressure is created. But uh, on land, uh, high pressure is created because it's already cooled down. As you know that cool air is a very dense. Because of that, high pressure is created on the land surface and low pressure is created on sea surface. As I have told that wind always flows from high pressure to region to low pressure. Therefore, high pressure is on land surface and low pressure is on sea surface. So breeze is coming from land to sea. Therefore, it is called as a land breeze. So therefore answer here is in winter, uh, as I have explained here, the wind here in winter the wind flows from the land to the ocean, that is land breezes taking place. So option is A. And option 2 is wrong, because here they have given in sea breeze they have given land towards ocean, but it is wrong. Ocean to from the ocean towards land. A cyclone is formed by a high pressure system with a very high speed wind revolving around it. But cyclone is formed by low pressure system with very high speed winds revolving around it. The coastline of India is vulnerable to cyclone, but they are given not. Because of this is wrong. This is all explanation I have given already. The muscle cramps of a human body is because of increased carbon dioxide production. This is wrong, because muscle cramps in humans is because of the formation of lactic acid in cramps, lactic acid in our muscles. But increased carbon dioxide production is in yeast, formation of ethylene. No, here ethylene is not formed. Here ethanol is formed. That too in option in yeast it is formed. Accumulation of carbon monoxide in muscles. Here carbon monoxide not formed at all. Here I will explain glucose. As you know that 6 carbon molecule in cytoplasm, the pyruvate 3 carbon molecule is there now. That is in presence of oxygen in mitochondria, it's converted into carbon dioxide, water and energy. But in lack of oxygen in our muscles, if sufficient during heavy exercise we'll do, that time due to insufficient amount of oxygen supply, uh, lactic acid and energy is formed. But in absence of oxygen, in case of yeast, it formed ethanol and carbon dioxide and energy. So muscle cramps in human bodies because of the formation of lactic acid, that too due to lack of oxygen. Alexander Fleming discovered the antibiotic penicillin whilst working on his working on this bacteria, that is staphylococci. Sucrose is a disaccharide made up of glucose and fructose. For remaining option, glucose galactose is lactose, glucose plus glucose is maltose, glucose plus mannose they not form, but they are glucose and mannose are epimers. The mineral which reduces storage of cholesterol and helps synthesis of insulin and enzymes is zinc. The leucoplasts which store protein in plants are they store proteins are, first option is alleoplast, helps in storing fats and oils that are needed by the plant. This is not correct answer. Amyloplast help to store and synthesize starch. And chloroplast, as you know that they are not leucoplasts, because in leucoplast they are non-pigmented and colorless pigments. Here answer is oleroplast, they store proteins in plants. The tissues which show rhythmic contraction and relaxation throughout life without undergoing fatigue is cardiac muscle tissues. That is answer here. This diagram is for cardiac muscle tissues. And other remaining options, smooth and straighted muscle tissues, epithelium tissues. For this diagram is there smooth muscles and straighted muscles and epithelium tissues. Next, here, plants with well differentiated reproductive tissues that ultimately make seeds phanerogams. Our answer is angiosperms and gymnosperms. Phanerograms means in plant kingdom cryptogamy and phanerogamy. Cryptogamy means non-flowering and without seeds. Flowering here, phanerogamy means they are flowering embryophytes with seeds. Here we have to form seeds, but here in this thylophytes, pteridophytes, phallophytes, bryophytes, pteridophytes are now, they comes under cryptogamy, means the non-flowering and without seed. Here all bryophytes, pteridophytes, thallophytes are now, they're all cryptogamy, they're not phanerogamy. So for phanerogamy, answers are gymnosperms and angiosperms. So answer is option 4. Friends, I have discussed all 2014 to 2020 biology TET questions. In next video, I'm trying to upload for physics. Please subscribe to my channel GPSTR CTT. Thank you, friends.